Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around today, the fact that today made a very nice move. Now, sure, there was a pullback here, but even with that, where it closed here relative to where it was before today, everybody would agree, good solid move. But that does lead to a very logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things straightforward. And in order to better illustrate this, just want to zoom out here a little bit to make things hopefully a little bit clear on why this level, in my opinion at least, is so important. And that's right here at $7.30. Why is $7.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7.30. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. From the big picture perspective, you want to see overall progress, and I'm defining overall progress as staying up above $7.30. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above $8, that would by far make the chart look the strongest. But I'm not sitting here saying that if the price drops below $8 that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be the ideal situation. Now, what about areas of resistance? First level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right there, which it looks like the bulls are kind of doing battle right now, right around $8.70. After $8.70, next key level to keep an eye on, up there at $9.15. If you can get through those couple levels of resistance, then yeah, you can start to talk about, doing battle with previous highs. But before you start talking about previous highs, got to first cross a couple bridges both there and there. All in all, though, very nice day, good solid volume. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.